Wolf stock analysis and WOLF stock prediction. In this 1-minute video, I'm going to show you exactly what I'm going to do, how I'm going to trade. I'm the only guy in the space that has done 40,000 videos and actually has proof of everything. It's taken me 5 years, but at least I've seen what's working, what's not. Ultimately, bro, this is just... I'm telling you, like, this is where it began with the bearish side on Wolf. It began when it was really 10 bucks, right? 5 months back. And I took this thing from 10, now it's 1. So, yeah, it's crazy. And all I'm here to tell you is that the likelihood that the price just going to keep smelting for me is still quite high. That's why I'm still biased towards that. I mean, ideally, I see breaks above 426, but in order for me to buy. But I did think, like, we will pretty much just have to 4x, right? From where we're right now. 3.5x or something. Which is not impossible, but I'm just telling you that's exactly what I'm looking at. And if you, it's been just covered so many previous times before. Why is that? Because like I've done 40,000 videos and I've seen what's making me money, what's not. But if you want to learn how I'm making 5 to 10k per month trading, click the first link in the description and get my free emails.